it's Jeana, and today I will be creating a look inspired by Latex Honey. To start off, I will be priming my eyelids with the Smashbox 24-hour Photofinish Shadow Primer and setting that with the RCMA No Color Powder.
Please don't catch no feelings. You know what I'm on, let me put you on. 007, I'm your James Bond.
Then I will be taking the ColourPop Honey palette and the shade Sweet Spot, which is a bright yellow, and applying that into my crease and in the outer V.
Honey drip, drip, dripping off your body. Say she wanna drive me like a Maserati. Honey, honey.
Next, I will be taking Buzzkill, which is a neutral brown, and applying that in the outer V. Then I will be taking a smaller brush and applying the same shade diagonally towards my inner corner, almost as if I am creating a wing. Following that, I will be taking the shade Sunburst, which is a yellow-green duochrome, and applying that into my inner thirds of my eyelid, under my crease and above the Buzzkill shade.
Girl, as I move, put on for you, it's room for two.
Afterwards, I will be applying the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Swerve onto the outer thirds of my lash line and smudging that out with a pencil brush.
I can be seen with just anybody. Like the way you dance when you dance on me, when you dance on me. I'm trying to taste that. Honey.
Then I will be taking the same shades that I used on my eyelid and applying them on my lower lash line and connecting it to the shape I created on my upper eyelid.
Honey, I know that you waited.
Next, I will be curling my lashes and applying the House of Lashes Iconic Lights, which is a pair of lashes that flare out at the end with the dual latex free lash glue.
You better, honey, honey, please don't catch no feelings.
Finally, I will be finishing up this eye look by applying the brush tip Illustrative eyeliner from M Cosmetics onto the bands of my lashes and applying the same ColourPop eyeliner I used beforehand into my upper waterline. For my base, I'll be applying the Smashbox Primerizer. Next up, I'll be applying the Tatcha Silk Canvas to blur out my pores. Then I'll be going in with my final primer, which is the Tatcha Silk Peony. For foundation, I'll be going in with the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in the shade Nude.
Honey, honey, I know that you waited. Honey, honey, I'm really tryna feel it. Shanghai to LA, I'm trendsetter.
For concealer, I'll be using a mix between the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer in the shade Macadamia and the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in Natural Beige.
007, I'm your James Bond. Scarlett Johansson, yeah, I like him blonde. Harry Potter, girl, I got a magic on.
To set this, I'll be using the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder.
Now I can turn you on. Honey drip, drip, dripping off your body. Say she wanna drive me like a Maserati. Honey, honey, I know that you waited. Honey.
For sculpting out the face, I will be using the KVD Shade and Light Contour Kit.
Shanghai to LA, I'm a trendsetter. I'm the one for you, can't nobody do you better. Honey, honey, please don't catch no.
To add in some warmth back into my face, I will be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronze. For blush, I will be using the Note Cosmetics blusher in the shade Desert Rose, which is a peachy pink that is great for olive undertones.
I need a taste. Yeah. So many people up in this party.
For highlight, I will be taking the Hourglass Ambient Metallic Strobe Lighting Palette and kind of mixing all the shades and applying that on my cheekbones.
I know that you waited. Honey, honey, I'm really tryna feel it. Honey, honey, I know that you waited. Honey, honey.
Lastly, I will be applying the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette as a finishing powder for all over my face.
Boy, you can't nobody do you better.
For brows, I will be taking the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso and just filling in my eyebrows.
Honey.
And to set that, I will be using the Hourglass Arch Brow Shaping Gel in the shade Clear. For lips, I will be taking the Patrick Ta Lip Shine in the shade Is She Younger Than Me, which is a sheer pearly pink, and applying that all over my lips. Finally, for the last step of this makeup tutorial, I will be taking the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and spraying that all over my face. And that's it for this honey-inspired tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. I'm definitely having a great time. I love the song so much. If you liked the video, please like the video. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Goodbye, friends. And go listen to Lezong's Honey and the rest of his music. Alright, bye.